Hi, Charlotte Smith here with BladenOnline.com. Thanks for joining me. Today, Friday, April the 24th, Bladen County Health Department reported its 8th positive case of COVID-19, the coronavirus, for Bladen County residents. The individual is isolating at home and doing well, according to Bladen County Health and Human Services Director, Dr. Teresa Duncan. In the press release, Dr. Duncan stated to respect the privacy and comply with federal law, more specific information about the individual is not available. Town of White Lake Mayor Goldston Womble released a bulletin this afternoon in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The mayor's declaration of state of emergency was extended from April 30th, 2020 to May 8th, 2020 at 5 p.m. to coincide with the stay-at-home order of the governor. In the bulletin released this afternoon, Womble stated that all previous restrictions from the governor and the Bladen County Commissioners, including the prohibition of mass gatherings, remains in place. All non-resident property owners or renters are prohibited from entering the town of White Lake at the present time, and this will continue until May 8, 2020 at 5 p.m. All short-term and new rentals are not allowed unless they are longer than 90 days. There are a few exemptions that are applied to this new bulletin that the mayor announced today. The first exemption in the bulletin lists individuals or entities renting within the town for purposes of providing essential public services as determined by the town, including, not limited to, health care service personnel will be allowed. Also, all on-street parking of unauthorized vehicles is prohibited. However, government agencies, town employees, and authorized contractors of the town are exempt from this regulation. The third exemption item on the bulletin lists private contractors working on projects with a valid and current building, or those on projects authorized by the state or federal agencies. Last but not least, drive-in church services only may be held as long as health precautions are met. Mayor Womble did take time to address some of the restrictions that White Lake residents are facing at this time.
I understand and appreciate there are a lot of people upset that are not able to come into the campgrounds and their places that they rent there and to their homes at White Lake. And I sincerely regret that. But my first job is to look after the health and safety and well-being of the people who are residents of the town of White Lake. And that's what I'm going to do. We are trying to work on plans right now where we can start allowing people to come back in sooner rather than later. And as soon as we have those plans formulated, we will let Bladen Online know right away. I just want you to understand we're not just sitting back waiting on this. We extended up to May 8th. That was the extension of the governor's stay-at-home order, and we want everybody to respect that. And Charlotte, we're going to be, we're looking now at what we're going to be able to do, hopefully within another couple of weeks, to start allowing people to come back in. I have a concern about that, want to do that, and we're working on that. We're having discussions every day on that, and I want people to know that, and as soon as we feel that we can start that out in a safe manner, then we're going to do that, because we are cognizant of people wanting to get back in and enjoy the lake, and we want them to be able to do that.
You can find out more information about White Lake and Bladen County on BladenOnline.com. Thanks for watching. Stay happy and healthy.